Hello, I'm Natalie Saavedra Salazar. I'm from the course English Phonetics, and today I'm going to share with you task 3, consonants and vowel sounds. We have to start talking about the letters. In this case, these letters, they're writing. To write these words in English, for example, we use the same word and always is the same drawing. But when we have to organize, to classify the letters, we have to do more than this one, more than this classification. So we have to pay attention, special attention to this international phonetic alphabet. This alphabet shows us how to pronounce what is the sound to each letter. In this case, we are going to talk about the sound to the vowels and the sound to some consonants. In this case, we are going to talk about what is the pronunciation, what is the sound to each letter, to this sound, and then we have an example as a word. Okay? So, in the first, we have E. In this case is short and the example is big. In this case, we have E. Please is the example. In this example, we use this sound. The next one is like look. And the last one, we have like yeah. Okay, now we are going to talk about those sounds. This sound is like friend. This sound is short, like the. This sound is like large, okay? Is large, is a large sound. In this example, we have like charge. And the last one, the sound to this symbol, we can say that is large again, like also. In the last example, we have 4 sounds. This one is a cat is the example. This one is a large sound as a cat. This one is R, like fast. And the last one is like on. Okay, in this moment, we are going to talk about the consonant sounds. Okay? We have a lot sounds in the consonants, like and vowels we started. So we have, for example, this sound. In this case, we have the word find. Or, for example, t. In this case, the word that we can identify this sound is tree. We also find some symbol different to the letter, like this one, and this one. So we are going to practice the pronunciation. In this case, the sound is like 3. In this case, we have this pronunciation with a vibration. We have, for example, sh, with she's. And this sound is sh, like she. We have in this line 3 symbols that we are going to practice. In this case, we have v. This one is j. In this one is sh. In this case, we have v, we have jo, and we have vision. The last different symbol is this. In this example, we have sing. Those are different sounds. Thanks for watching.